channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best snapper roast oven baked fish. So right here I got my aluminum foil. I'm using my stick of butter to apply over the aluminum foil, grease it so when I put the fish inside the foil, the fish does not stick on the foil. So you gotta make sure you grease the aluminum foil, rub the butter all over the four corners in the middle so it's well greased, you know. So yes, so that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm about to show you my snapper, my big large snappers I'm cooking. So this is the first step, people. So let's get into it. Okay, so here are my big red snapper fish. You know, they're really huge. It's gonna be some very delicious cooking today, my people. Very delicious cooking. Super big snapper. Yes, there's gonna be some delicious cooking. So here I got my season, my garlic powder. I'm just putting up in the camera so you can see. My Gaia adobo all-purpose. My Maggi season up fish all-purpose seasoning. It's some of the best seasoning you can use. My salt, my Old Bay, my Clover Valley black pepper, and I got some pumpkin on the side. And here go my yam that I'm also gonna cook. Here go my green banana. So we're doing boiled dumpling. Here's my flour right here, people. And this is how your flour is supposed to look. You got your flour in your container, whatever container you're using, and I got some extra flour over to the side that I'm using. And here go my season that I'm gonna put on the fish when after I finish seasoning it up and stuff it with the okro. I'm gonna apply my onions and all my bell peppers on the top. Yes, so peeps, here I got my fish again, and I'm about to start seasoning up my fish. So y'all watch, learn, and enjoy. So here I got my black pepper. I got my red snapper fish in the aluminum pan. I'm listening some music and I'm dancing. So in my kitchen, the reason my food is always taste so delicious is because I'm always having fun while I'm cooking. So I'm listening to my best music and seasoning up my fish. Here my Maggi season, showing you the seasons I use again. You know. So apply my Maggi season over my snapper fish. And you're gonna apply this at the season on both sides. So don't just season one side and you don't season the next side. So here go my Gaia adobo all-purpose, one of my next favorite season too. Every Jamaican use adobo in the kitchen. Yes, so I'm showing y'all. I'm not hiding the recipe. My black pepper. Apply my black pepper over there. Yeah, I'm gonna start dancing, people, because I was listening to my favorite music and I was just having a real good time cooking. So this is an epic one. I'm gonna say, people, that one are wicked, you know. I'm gonna say that one are wicked. My Old Bay seasoning. Yes, so I'm about to my salt, and I'm about to flip the fish over on the next side and apply all my seasonings again. So if you follow my simple recipe and follow every step by step that I used to cook, y'all fish will come out tasting delicious just like mine. So here come my Maggi fish season again, applying it over on the first fish, and I'm gonna apply it on the next fish, but I'm applying all the seasons first. Then I'm gonna season the second fish the same way I did the first one. Yes, so you see me there jumping and stuff, come start dancing, I'm listening to my favorite music, and the music just got me so turned. So I must start dance all over the place. You see me there to the side and jumping up and down and just having fun while I cook, you know. That's why I cook with love, people. People I cook with love in my kitchen. I am great at what I do. So all the people who think I lose it, I never lose it. This is a banger right here. Yeah. So they're gonna be using my Old Bay again, peeps. Just they're dancing, having a fun. Maggi fish season, all purpose. One of the best season you can use in your kitchen. You can find this at any Caribbean store, your Walmart, or Asian market, wherever, you know. So see me there. Flip the camera myself so you all see me. Back on the fish again. The fish is well seasoned up, my people. All the season down. See? Both sides. Yep. There's gonna be some delicious snapper cooking today, my peeps. Yes. Oh my god, look how pretty all the snapper fish look already. Just all that seasoning on there. Just so seasoning down. People, I wish y'all could taste this when I cook this. I'm gonna cook this for some friends one day. Alright, so back again showing you my season again so y'all can learn. Making sure this video a banger so y'all can learn. Maggi season up, fish season all purpose. My salt, garlic powder, Old Bay season, black pepper, and Goya all purpose. So here go my fish again, my people. Here go my fish again, showing you how well seasoned it up it look. So I'm going to stuff it with my carrot and my okra. See my okra right there? Yep, so I'm going to stuff the fish with the okra and the carrot in the fish in the snapper belly. So here I go. Got the snapper and the aluminum foil. Applying my okra in the fish belly. Say no, this is how my mom used to cook it in Jamaica. And this is how other people cook it in Jamaica. If they're cooking roast fish, you go buy it from somebody who cook fish on the street, who cook street food. It's the same way they cook it in the island. So I'm teaching y'all the best way to cook like a Jamaican, the best way to cook all the best Jamaican meal, learning from Flossy Vlogs. Yes, so you learn from your people and you can't go wrong. And this is some of the most snapper fish, is the best fish. So this is some very super delicious eating, right? I tell you people, this is a banger. So I apply my carrots in the fish belly. And I'm going to do the same thing with the second fish. And after I finish, apply the, see I'm showing y'all, it's all stuff. Hold the snapper fish in the camera. Y'all can see. Showing y'all both sides. And I'm about to apply my onion and my bell pepper and all that on the top of my fish before I put it in the oven. And then make sure you always got some butter in the aluminum foil. Not too much butter. Some sticks, cut up some sticks of butter and put over it, so the fish don't be dry when it in the oven, which is already making its juices though. So there I'm applying all my pretty onion cut up pretty, my bell pepper, all my sweet bell pepper, sweet pepper, you know, applied all over the fish, you know, so it's real pretty, and they're going to be going in the oven. Yes, so applying it, I'm going to wrap it up and I'm going to show y'all after it being wrapped up. I'm going to put it in the oven so y'all can see. So I'm going to do one fish with the okra over it. I'm going to do one fish without the okra. So see it there, so pretty, so colorful, so rich. Oh my god, this is a banger. Yes, they think I can't cook. They think say I lost it. No, I never lost it. I just be staying humble. But you say no, I'm done being humble. I'm about to go hard. So, you know, yeah. So they're so colorful, so pretty, you know. Yeah, man, I'm going hard in the kitchen now, you know. So, people, stay tuned. I'm going to show you some secret recipes, some secret cooking that nobody have ever done but me. So stay tuned, hit that notification bell and subscribe to the Flossy notification gang. Yes, so there go my pretty fish, people. I'm showing you the okra now, the okra over it now. So I'm gonna apply the okra over it, over the fish off the camera. Yes, please, because my tripod was giving trouble. So my tripod was giving trouble, so I'm about to buy a new tripod. So I couldn't show some of the clippings. I couldn't get the show because my tripod keep dropping from the phone. It wasn't sturdy. So yeah, there's go colorful, you know, best snapper oven roast recipe. And here's go the next fish without the okra. because my peeps, they don't like okra. So yeah, my fish was with the okra. So this is the second fish with the peppers and the carrot already stuff in it, and all the pretty sweet peppers all over the fish, my people. Yeah, this is a very delicious recipe, very delicious one. So I'm show you, make sure I show you all my seasons and everything, you know. So yeah, it's very delicious one, my people. Very delicious one. I tell you, say this was some very good eating. I gotta cook some more of this, but I'm gonna cook more fish, different ways too, Jamaican ways, so y'all can see. Super pretty. You know, people think that, oh, Flossie can cook, or oh, he don't do no good video. Oh, what kind of video that he do? Yeah, so you watch and learn. Don't think say I can cook. Yep, so you see it. I've been staying humble too long, so I stop stay humble now. Right now I'm applying that gas pedal in the kitchen, and there's no brakes. I'm not hitting my foot on the brakes. So I'm in go mode right now. So people stay tuned for these banger videos, you know. Don't miss them, my people. Yes, so here go me. The fish are wrapped up. I have it in the aluminum pan. I'm about to put it in the oven. 2 fish wrap up, people. So I'm gonna show y'all every step of this, you know. Y'all see every step of this video. So I know say y'all gonna like this video whenever this video premiere. Yes, see it there, well wrapped up. Make sure your fish wrapped up so no the juices of the snapper fish don't leak out. So here I apply it in the oven. It's in the oven, you know, but for let them cook in the oven. And you know, when it's finished, I'm about to take it out and make y'all see when it's done. So peeps, I think I did cook the fish for about, an hour. I don't remember if it was, yeah, I think it was an hour. 350 degrees. Set the oven to 350 degrees. Hour and a half. I can't remember. I think it's an hour though. So here is my fish, people. All done. Pretty. You know, with all this, the okra, the one with the okra, and the next one without the okra. So I'm showing you the both of them. Yep, so there it goes. Very delicious, very juicy. You see all the juices, my peeps. Yes, it's a very delicious one right here. Very yummy in my tummy. Yes, my peeps. So yep, show y'all every step, you know, people. So I know say y'all gonna love this. Alright, see it there? I wish y'all could taste this. I wish y'all could taste this, people. Oh my God, I wish y'all could taste this. Look at that. Look how colorful it look. Look how colorful it look. You see all the seasoning on top. The seasons are not burnt. You see the seasons are very soft. So whenever you're cooking fish in the oven, your season should not be dry or tough. It's supposed to look just like mine. Just like when you go to a restaurant or you in Jamaica and you buy this street food from somebody, this is the same way it look, just like how Flossie cook this delicious, super delicious roast oven snapper fish. This is a banger right here. This is a banger. And if I should sell this type of fish, this cooking in my city where I live, all these restaurants to be out of business because my food is super delicious. And I'm not bragging. You can eat it and try it for yourself. So here go my pumpkin, my people. I'm about to show you the pretty pumpkin. But put the pumpkin, cut the pumpkin and the banana and put in the pot. I'm going to cook it a boiled dumpling. So I have pumpkin, banana, boiled dumpling, and yam. Yellow yam, the real Jamaican yard yam. Yeah, you know we do it now. We go hard over here. I must say a hard ball right now. No more being humble on my videos no more. Straight bangers coming. So here is my pretty yellow yam. Well cut up, well pretty. But we put it in the boiling pot. The dumpling already in. The banana already in. You know, so the yam, I cook my yam first, then I put my pumpkin after. When you're cooking pumpkin, you make sure you cook everything first and the pumpkin last, because the pumpkin is very soft, my people. For all my American people and people who don't know that, you cook all the hard food first and then you yam, then you leave the pumpkin for last. So here come my pot, I get pot right now. Both put in the yam, do it on camera so y'all see. Pot boiling, showing you all the pot. I make the perfect boiled dumpling in this one. Yes, presentation is everything, so I make sure presentation was up in this. So here go my pretty yellow yam. Oh my god, this is the yam is so pretty, just like a bite in the market in Jamaica. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm gonna tell you, super delicious, super yummy. And you try, you will see. You come my peeps that eat some of the fish. Oh my god, ooh. I tell you, they almost take the whole pot. The whole pot was gone. Nothing was left. Yep. He said, oh my god, the food is so delicious. This fish is the best fish I ever eat. Yes, I'm not bragging. I go make people be the judge and y'all can see for yourself. For everybody feel like them can cook better than me, and everybody thinks they're the best, and you don't watch my video, I'm gonna watch your video, and you wanna support me, yeah. Just know say I am a great cook too. My humble days is over. So here come pretty yam and the boiled banana, boiled green banana in the pot, and all the boiled food. In Jamaica, this is what we call boiled food. I'm a Jamaican people know, from American people who don't know. Yeah, this is the boiled food, people. So here we go. Banana, yam, everything boiling. So make sure to show y'all. So there go my pumpkin in the pot. Pumpkin well pretty, you know. Upon the pumpkin well pretty, my peeps. Pumpkin well pretty. Upon the pot, I make the most perfect boiled dumplings this time. So this is a very nice one. Look how pretty the pot look. The pot so full. Yes, I went hard in this one, you know. And I know all my subscribers gonna be happy. So y'all share out this video, so more people can come on to the Floss notification gang. Yep. Look on that pretty boiled food, pretty boiled Jamaican food. Oh, and me like this anywhere I live. Them charge like $25 to $30 American for just a meal like this, and you ain't getting that much food like what I cook. So here go all the food finished cook. Here go my boiled dumpling. Here go my yellow yam. There's more boiled dumpling underneath too. Yep, these dumplings came out very perfect. Yep, you see how hot it is. You see all the steam blowing off. There go my yellow yam. Yellow yam is done, ready to eat. Everything is ready to eat. Yep, so you know the pumpkin right there really pretty. The pumpkin is soft and saggy. Whenever I cook pumpkin, your pumpkin ain't supposed to be soft or fall. It should be soft, but it ain't supposed to be falling apart. It should be eatable. So you learn from Flossie. Everything so pretty. Oh my god, this is a banger. Yes, this is a banger. The second best video I would say I do, but yeah, there's more bangers on the way. See there more, me have more boiled dumpling in the pot, more yam in the pot, you know. So if y'all you want some of the food and y'all was close by, y'all come and could get a plate, my people. Y'all go come and get a plate, because sharing is caring. You know how I do. More yam in the pot, more boiled dumpling in the pot, more boiled banana in the pot. There's so much food and enough food for everybody to share. So I'm going to cook this for my brother one day, and trust me, yeah, it's gonna be a banger. All my friends who live here in the United States, I'm going to cook this for you one day. Y'all gonna love it, because it's super delicious, super yummy. I taste you would never forget. So here go my flour, people. When you're cooking flour, this is how it's supposed to look before, and after you meal it and roll it, apply the water. That's how it look after. So here go my pot. when it was cooking. I'm gonna show you all the pictures that I take. Make sure I apply the pictures in the video, my peeps. Steam fish. This all seasoned up before I put it inside the oven. So you make sure all your season cut up. Making sure y'all get all the pictures so y'all see everything, every step of the way of the Flossy cooking, Flossy vlogs, notification gang. So hit that notification bell, subscribe, like, share, and don't miss another video. Yes, my peeps. So that's when the fish was finished, all done. Yep, in the file. I'm gonna show you the next two fish, my people. Yep, I'll just fish them side and side, one with the okra, one with the okra. You know, and when I put the boiled food on there and done. So people, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss one of my